Good evening, good evening, good evening. Well, I guess it ain't evening yet, but it's getting there. Excuse me, what are you doing? Yeah? You just sleeping on an old pillow? Good morning, Domino. Yes, yes, yes. I've been doing a lot of running around today, guys. Had to go get some materials. And I'm actually going to go on a road trip tomorrow. I made a bunch of phone calls this morning. As y'all know, I got some stuff coming to the mountain here soon. There'll be a much more detailed video tomorrow on Come On Homesteading about it all. Today I've spent the day preparing for the trip. I'm going to be gone for 2 days. I'm going to go to Oklahoma and pick up my livestock trailer from Biddy Boo that we bartered a long time ago with that Harley deal that we did. I went and dropped the tires and rims off months and months and months ago over there at MT Homesteads. I got new tires and rims for it because that livestock trailer's been sitting for a while. So I can only imagine what all it's gonna need. So I went and got some stuff for that. I'm going tomorrow to get that. I'm gonna stay the night with MT Homestead tomorrow night and try to get the trailer up and going and get it here to the mountain so I can pick up the pigs here in a couple of weeks. I don't have to have it for that, but it'd be nice if I could transport them in that. I could get them with big dog kennels, but I'm going to try to get the trailer going if I can, if it's not in too bad a shape. What's going on, Parkour? What's up, buddy? Gandalf. A fan favorite right here, old Gandalf. The members named him. It is starting to cool down a little bit. What's going on, guys? Tell them about it. Tell them about it. It's definitely we got a cold front coming in. We're about to get a lot of rain for the next 3 days, of course. And as you can see, it isn't even really dried out yet from the last one. So that's unfortunate. It was starting to get there, starting to dry out a little bit. And then I think it's supposed to rain for 23 hours straight, starting at about 5 o'clock tonight until late in the day tomorrow. So I decided I would go ahead and take this road trip and try to stay productive while it's here raining. That is the goal, anyways. Stopping, taking a drink. We'll walk out here and see the baby goats. Ooh, it's chilly. It's starting to get chilly. Ooh. Clips is over there sleeping. Or was, she just hopped up when they heard me. Whew. I am ready for winter to move on and for spring to spring. Got a whole lot of stuff to do. I'm ready for it to dry up so I can push this up tighter and burn it. What's up, guys? What's happening? Whew. Chief, what are you doing, man? What are you doing, dude? You're looking full or preggo there, Coco. I think Coco is pregnant. I've been watching her for a little while now. Hey, Eclipse, what are you doing? I'm not gonna get your food. There's old Frosty. Chanel's baby's getting big. Chanel has developed one of her bags on one side is it's trying to clog up and stuff, so I've been treating that and kind of hand milking her for the last couple of days, trying to relieve some of the pressure. It's a ongoing thing out here. Same thing happened with her last time she had a baby, but it happened much later this time. She doesn't seem to be in any kind of pain or uncomfortable with it at all, but I'm thinking it's starting to become a normal thing for her. Coco, you've been being a good girl. You ain't been getting out or nothing. Just been hanging out. Just been hanging out. Chief, what you doing? You trying to be romantic? What's he doing, Coco? Chief, you the man, buddy. You the man. Chief is an amazing buck, for sure. They're about to get an address change here soon as well. I gotta put some more hay in their pen this evening for their evening feeding. Ooh, let me switch hands. My hand's starting to get cold. It's getting cooler, but it's not gonna freeze or anything like that, so it's not gonna be too bad. But it's definitely cold. I haven't seen where we're gonna actually freeze like we did a couple of weeks ago. Just yesterday, I think there was snow and ice just north of us, I believe, and we got lucky and missed that one. I think that's where all this colder weather is coming from. All off in the distance right there. Let's see if I can zoom in. Whoa, a major zoom, see it? Going back. That was like a super zoom 9000. But I messed up on the tiny house, guys. There was a mess up on the tiny house that I wasn't expecting. I'll be talking about it tomorrow on Come On Homesteading's video. It ain't it's a big problem if I don't fix it. Them two are always playing, boy, especially when the weather gets colder like this. As you can see, I got everything hid up underneath the outdoor kitchen lean-to right now because of the rain coming. I had to get everything up from working on the tiny house. This coming up week, towards the end of the week, I'll be starting on the inside. I did add some stuff to the tiny house that'll be in the video tomorrow as well, or onto the tiny house, to get ready for all this rain. Come on. Whew. Let's get out of the cold. It's cold. But yeah, got that done because with all the rain coming in, we just put that roof on there. I wanted to make sure that none of the rain could get into the new part of the building while I'm gone. But I think that's going to wrap it up for us, guys. I hope y'all have a good day. I hope y'all stay productive, done something to get closer to your goal, and did something nice for somebody. Keep it real. Come on.